In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find trending sports videos on YouTube. First, open YouTube and focus on the left-hand sidebar. That's where the Explore section lives. If the sidebar looks collapsed, click the menu icon at the top left to expand it so you can see all the labels. Find Explore, and within that list, click on Sports. This takes you straight to YouTube's dedicated sports hub, which is designed to surface the biggest highlights and must-watch moments from across leagues and events. Once you're on the sports page, take a moment to scan what's featured. Front and center, you'll see the most popular sports highlights, full match clips when available, short recaps, and other trending videos. These are driven by what's currently hot on the platform and can include everything from epic game-winning plays to press conferences and behind-the-scenes content. Keep in mind that what appears can shift based on your region and overall activity on YouTube, so two people might see slightly different lineups. If something is live, you'll usually see a badge or a clear indicator, making it easy to jump right in. When you spot something you want to watch, simply click the thumbnail to start the video. If you're exploring several options, you can open videos in new tabs so you don't lose your place on the sports page. As you watch, use the player controls to adjust quality, captions, and playback speed for a comfortable viewing experience. If a longer playlist is featured, such as a collection of highlights or a series from a specific league, explore it to quickly catch up on multiple related clips without needing to search. Playlists are especially helpful when you want a curated stream of content on a single topic, like a tournament recap or weekly highlight reels. They keep you in the flow and reduce the time you spend browsing. If you're short on time, you can save any video to watch later, so it's easy to find again. Because YouTube updates its trending sports content frequently, it's worth returning to the sports page regularly. Big moments, fresh highlights, and new match content are added throughout the day, especially during peak sports seasons and after major games. A quick daily check can help you stay on top of the latest action without having to hunt around. That's all there is to it. Head to Explore, click Sports, browse what's trending, and dive into the videos and playlists that catch your eye. Enjoy the highlights, and see you next time.